Dividaya Puri Prashad Singha
Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, 289. Namami Nandanandanam, Sucharuvakramandaram, Sukarnayatnakundaram, Suchakitam Gachandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Sudirghanedra Pankajam, Shikishikandamurdadam, Ananga Koti Mohanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Nastikagramoptikam, Swachandradantapaktikam, Navambudam Vachitanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Karena Venuranjitam, Gati Karendra Vanjitam, Purapita Shobhanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Om Sundaram, Nakalite Sudhakaram, Amuraya Bhushanam, Namami
starts at 10:30.
10:30.
Sorry.
We can leave at 10 or 9:45. They're right there. The books are right there.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu
Also, just fill it halfway with water, normal water.
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Respectful Dhamma Pranam. And it's very long and all so continue, we also discuss. Sri Radha, Sattva Sindhu, Gunavati, Radha. And Sri Radha statement, love story. So continuing also discuss these things. Vaidanta Sindhu, discuss about her Vaidanta Sindhu, the ocean of human. And our Radha and Krishna, we also expert to speaking to each other and different kinds of humor. And second, they call Anuraga Sindhu. Anurag or Rasaika Sindhu. So Anurag Sindhu and ocean of a divine deep attachment. Srimati Radhika's Anurag Sindhu, ocean of divine deep attachment compared to milk. Okay. There are two symptoms of Anurag. What are the two symptoms of Anurag?
Darshana Chittita
Huh?
and Darshana Chittita.
Parasparanu Snehanu Bandhanam. Darsana or is the symptom of deep attachment. Anurag. There are two symptoms of Anurag. One is Parasparanu Snehanu Bandhanam and other is Darsana or Vikkata. In Parasparanu Snehanu Bandhanam, being bound to each other's by their love and affection, the hero and heroine loving attachment incessantly manifested in their heart as Novo Navayan. This is called ever fresh, newly. Navanivan Krishna. Navayan, Anubhuti. Anubhuti means realizing. Navayan, always ever fresh and renewed. Because Krishna is Bhagavan. So for this regard, Krishna manifests very nice, beautiful, newly beautiful form. Jivas cannot do this. Jivas 6 stages. Asti jayate vardhate apakhyate then vinasyate. Jivas, this body take birth from the womb, then jayate. Vardhate, then you grew up. Grew up now. Small baby, then growing up. Well, how is growing up? We don't know. Every day you look in this body. But how this body grew up? Very quick. This time is going very quick. Bala, childhood, Shaisav, Jovan, Jara, Vyadhi, then old age, then death. Very quick, all the time is very quick, going very quick. Very calm. How old are you?
24.
Huh?
He's young.
24.
24. Huh? So 24 years, how fast it is? From your birth to now, how the 21st years pass. Come on, but body also always growing. All limbs of the body growing. Jayati. Jayati asti vardhate. Vardhate means increasing the body. Jayati asti vardhate. Then apakhyate. Diminishing also all our limbs and body. When we become old, then all your limbs and body diminishing. Jati, usti, vardhate, apakhyate. Then Jara, Vyadhi, many kinds of disease, distress are coming. Then one day will we die. This body will be completely what? Destroyed. So for this regard Shastra saying this. Who takes birth, he will be die. So this body takes birth, this body will die. Will die or not? But some miracle is all you are thinking, I will not die. Maybe you will die, not today, not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. Maybe when you will die? After 100 years. Thinking or not? Mundane people, they are thinking this way, yeah, I will live in this material 100 years. Or sadhu completely opposite way. Sadhu thinking any second, any moment I will die. So it is better I have to practice devotional service to Lord. হাই হাই নাহি ভাবি অনিত্যই সব জীবন বিগতে হইলে কোথায় রহিবে বৈভব. Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying this. And mundane people are thinking this way, I will die. Will die, this is true, because every day we are looking. What are you looking? Kim Ascharjam. What are the wonderful things?
All around us.
Every day we are looking. Many people, they give up their body. In the street you can see many, what is called, dead body is going to the cremation place. You can see TV, how many people they died. Some place also fire, what is called, flood coming, storm coming, earthquake coming or not. Anytime. So Mandal people conception and those are the pure devotees conception completely are different, opposite way. Mandan people are thinking, I will live at least how many years?
100.
100 years, okay. A sadhus, what you are thinking? Any second, any moment will die. So before give up this body, I have to practice devotional service to Lord. This is the difference between mundane people and sadhu. If a sadhu always think, any second will die. Once one devotee, he asked to Gurudev, Gurudev, tell to me, what is the best way to will practice to Lord? Then Gurudev gave answer, what is the best way? To chant holy name, practice bhakti, bhakti yoga. Karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. By the performing karma, acquire the knowledge, performing hard austerities, pronunciation. You will not attain your perfection goal. So what you will do? Practice bhakti yoga. Then devotee asks to Gurudev, so from which day we will start to practice devotional service to Lord? Question coming in. From which date? And today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow? General people are thinking, okay, I will receive Diksha mantra from very nice, beautiful, auspicious day. Understand? So they are looking, what is it called? Astrology, Panjika. Panjika, understand? Which day is very nice day. Nice also. Tithi. Nice also. Tithi, understand? No?
Day of the moon. Tithi is day of the moon.
So thinking this way. Which day is good day? Which day is good day?
Every day.
Well, any day is not good day. Every day is what? Bad day. শাস্ত্রের মতে কোনো দিন হয় না ভালো. According to the scriptures, you cannot find out any day is good day. All days were bad day. So now coming in the which day is bad day? A good day. But that day you chant holy names. That day is good day.
The meaning of Titi means the day of moon?
Eh?
Titi. The meaning? What's the meaning of Titi?
Tithi means that they are looking at the position of moon and sun. They are thinking this way. Astrologer are pull, calculate this sun is how much, what is called. And place, moon is what is place, they calculating the distance, this. Pratama, Ditya, Tritiya, Jyothi. So for this regard, one day the Devi Parvati, she asked to Shivji, hey, my husband, you tell to me, which day is good day? Then Shivji told, no one, any day is not good day. Sunday, people think Sunday, Monday, people are saying or not? Oh, maybe Sunday is good day. Holiday, Sunday, so good day. Friday, Saturday,
No more work.
no more work. Okay, good day. But then Shivji, he told, hey Devi Parvati, actually not any day is not good day. So which day is good day? Which day you practice devotional service to Lord, that day is good day. Hari Bol. Do you understand? sun rises and sunset. That means you lose your age. Ayu harati vai pungsang uddananta astananta jatana asau. Sun rises and sun sets. Then you lose 1 day and 1 night of your age. This is true. So which day is good? Jatkano nitam. When you sitting in front of sadhu and listen Hari Katha, that day, that time is not diminishing. Understand? This is the main thing. If you sit in front of sadhu and listen Hari Katha, your age will be not diminish. You want sitting? 1 hour sitting, 2 hours sitting in front of sadhu, listen Hari Katha. And that time will not not destroy, not diminishing. So saying, Ayu harati vai pungsang uddanant asanasa jat aso jatkano niyata. When you are sitting in front of sadhu and listen Hari Katha, that time you will not lose your time. Understand? This is the process. Srimad Bhagavatam gives this evidence. Otherwise, sun rises, sun sets. Going.
In fourth canto? Shivji in fourth canto, maybe?
Which one?
This Bhagavatam gives that.
No, this is Katha is Ayu Harati Vipungsang Uddananta Sanaso. This is Srimad Bhagavatam. But once, this is the Puran Katha also. Once Devi Parvati, she asked to Lord Shiva, Mahadev, which day is good day? That time Shivji told, actually, any day is not good day. All day is what? Bad day. Because when you wake up and sun rises and sun sets, your age diminishing or not? Diminishing this. So how possible to say this is called the good day? Do you want to lose your age? No. Everybody wants age. I will alive more. So how possible to say this day is good day? So Shivji is saying this way. When we chant holy names, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That katha, that sweet pastime is coming in Dhruva Maharaj katha. Dhruva Maharaj, he got benediction from Lord Vishnu. He will be stay in this material world. How many? 36,000 years. How many? 36,000 years. He will be ruled his kingdom without any obstacles. No one can disturb to him. Lord Vishnu gave his benediction to him, Lord Narayan. So when 36,000 years passed, and then Jam Maharaj, the presiding deity of death, he came. He told Dhruva Maharaj, come with me. You have to come in my place. Well, where is your place? My place is called Mara Jagat. What is it called? Mara means death. Death, place of death. This is the rules. And when your age will be finished, then Jam Maharaj will come. Understand? Take you. Chalo. Where will go? Mara Jagat. Saying this way. You come in my place, place of death. Then Dhruva Maharaj he told, that time Dhruva Maharaj he was chanting this mantra. Which mantra? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So Dhruva Maharaj he told, okay Jam Maharaj, sit down here. When I will finish my chanting this mantra, then I can go with you. When now I am chanting this mantra, so you cannot take me. This one. Maharaj told, no, your time almost finished. You have to come with me, prepare. Maybe 5 seconds. How many minutes you have rest? A second? Rest only 5 seconds. So you prepare with me. You have to prepare to come with me. I will take you. Where? My place. There is a place of death. Mara Jagat. Mrityu Jagat. But Dhruva Maharaj he told, now I am chanting this mantra. When I finish, then you can take. So Jam Maharaj is sitting. Okay. And Jam Maharaj he knows. The one who chants this mantra, I cannot take. So Jam Maharaj is sitting. When he will finish his Gayatri mantra, Om Namo Bhagavate, Dhruva Maharaj continue, you are chanting. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Dhruva Maharaj, he continued, he chanting this mantra. Jam Maharaj said, time is over, come with me. Dhruva Maharaj, he chanting. Jam Maharaj, hey, stop. Hey, stop, no one. Continue, he chanting. Jam Maharaj, by force cannot take, according to the rules. One who chants Lord's holy names. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva. They're saying this. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vasudevaya Nandanandanayo. 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 Jam Maharaj sitting. Dhruva Maharaj continue. And his time already over. 36,000 years already over. But he is chanting. So he is going on. Grew up. So saying this way. But Dhruva Maharaj is clever. Then after few hours, Dhruva Maharaj he jumped and put his step and on the head of Jamadeva, Mrityu Devata, and going to Dhruva Loka, Balavindavan Vihari. Then Jam Maharaj, hey Dhruva, where are you? Well, I am coming here. Lord gave me my one special place, that is called Dhruva Loka. Understand? If you chant holy names, then your age will be also increase, not decrease. These are things. So many kathas in our Puranas also. Markandeya Rishi, when he was born, then astrologer told his mother, after 11 years, your son will be die. How many years? 11 years. Then his mother was crying and crying. But she did not tell to Markandeya Rishi. You will Navadvip Dham Parikram. Markandeya's life history there. So when 10 years, what is it called, 11 months and 29 days coming, then last day he will be die, his son. Then his mother was crying and crying. Then Markandeya Rishi asked to his mother, mother, why you are crying? What happened? But she did not tell anything. How possible to tell, today you will be die? Mother cannot say. But she was crying and she thinking, today my son will be die. Crying and crying and crying. Well, Markandeya Rishi again and again asked to his mother, why you are crying? Tell to me. But she did not tell anything. At the same time, almost sun goes down, So just sun goes down, sunset, about sunset. And when sadhu came in his village, they generally, Indian culture is that if sadhu is coming, everybody paid their obeisance, pranam. Understand this? So all the people, boys, girls, they also giving pranam to sadhu. And sadhu gave blessing. When Markandeya Rishi came, and that time the sadhu told, okay, Aisman Bhava, Dirgha Jivi Bhava. What do you say? Dirgha Jivi Bhava. You may live long life. You may live long life. Dirgha Jivi Bhava. Sadhu told this. And that time Markandeya Rishi, he returned back his home and told. Markandeya Rishi's mother asked, oh, you paid obeisance to sadhu? Well, yes. What sadhu is giving blessing to you? Well, Dirgha Jivi Bhava. And you may live long life. Then Markandeya Rishi's mother told, how possible? Markandeya Rishi's mother, she came to sadhu and asked to sadhu. The astrologer told, today my son will be, when sun will set, sunset, that time my son will be die. But sadhu told, what is coming from my head, out of my mouth, that is absolutely truth. Then sadhu also tell, okay, and sapta kalpa jiva. Sapta kalpa means 7 days of Brahma. 1 day of Brahma means 1000 Chaturjug. So sadhu told, now I am giving blessing to your son. What will say that your son will die today? Now I am giving blessing, your son will be Sapta Kalpa Jiva. How many? Sapta Kalpa. Then Jam Maharaj, everybody they are afraid. What to do now? Very nice katha is there. Well, sadhu is very stubborn in his own word. What is coming from my mouth, the absolutely truth. No one can change. So for this regard, Markandeya Rishi, he was living how many years? Saptakalpa. 7 kalpa means 7 days of Brahma. But every kalpa is also changing, many kinds of disease and pralay, destruction coming this way. Just also coming in this way. If you do pranam to sadhu, sadhu will give blessing and you will attain your perfection goal also. So now we coming in this way. So here also explained sadhu vakka is very important. What is coming from the mouth of sadhu? Even that the ladies, Kushta Vipra's wife, the husband, the wife of Kushta Vipra, leprosy Brahman. His wife, she told, And if I am a chaste lady, sun will not rise, and my husband will not die. Mahaprabhu himself gave this example also. The chastity, on her chastity, she also stopped the moving of the sun. Look this. You read Chaitanya Charitamrita, reading or not? Read Chaitanya Charitamrita. You find out this. Anta Leela. This katha is there. How chaste lady she also control the movement of the sun. So there are many evidences. Sadhu Vakka is very powerful. But need faith. If you have faith, then you will get benefit. Or if you have no faith, what will you get? You get only ashes. Ashes, understand? Sai Bhasma. Need is what? Faith. Sadhu Vakka Vishwas. Sadhu Guru Shastra Vakka. Chittete Koriya Vaikka Arna Koriya Mane Asha. Sadhu Vakka, Guru Vakka and Shastra Vakka. This is important. There are many stories in Ramayana also. The story of what is that? Old lady. Ramchandra, Ram and Lakshman came in there. Savari. Savari's guru told to her, one day Ram and Lakshman will come in my ashram. So Savari, she was born in a very locust family. That is called Aboriginal family. Aboriginal family. But her guru, what is his name? Guru's name? Matanga Rishi. Matanga Rishi told, listen, one day Ram and Lakshman will come in my ashram. You will direct meet with Ram and Lakshman. So for this regard, Savari, so faith with the instruction of her guru. Every day she also prepare very nice, beautiful prasadam, fruits, very nice juicy fruits, ripened fruits, flowers. She also prepare this. We are thinking Ramchandra will come. In this way, many years pass. 100 years pass. Because that is the Treta Yuga. But Ram and Lakshman not coming. So, for this regard, many sadhus, they also passing by that the way. Some sadhus, they are saying, hey, you are old lady, your brain not working. Why every day you also prepare these flowers with the very nice, beautiful path? Why? But somebody she told, my Gurudev told, one day Ram and Lakshman will come in this cottage. Then sadhu said, who knows when he will come? Sadhus, they laughed and joked. Are you are mad. You are mad, your guru also mad. This is not true. But Matanga Rishi, what is his name? Savari, she told, no, my Gurudev told, one day Ram and Lakshman will come. For this regard, every day she also prepared very nice, beautiful and path with the flowers. Ram Lakshman. And prepare many kinds of juicy fruits. Every day. Look this. Because she has faith in the instruction of Guru. Understand this thing. Then, after many years, Ravan kidnapped Sita. Understand? Then Ram and Lakshman, they are searching to Sita Devi and coming in that way. And Ram and Lakshman, they directly met with Savari. Huh? Very nice katha is the Ramayana. Everybody have to read this story of Savari. Then you inspiration comes. Oh, Gurudev told this is not true. How possible? Huh? Understand? Guru Goswami Maharaj he told. His Guru Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj he told. You go to preach Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Then he came alone. Understand? You read Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj life history also there. Same. Very nice, beautiful. He was alone. Alone also cooking. Alone also going to house to what is called? Collect some. And he worshipped Thakurji. What is Thakurji's name? Gopalji. No any brahmachari, nothing. And that place completely useless place. Many dacoits and some rickshaws staying. That place. Staying in this. Because Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he told to him, one day your place will be best place all over the world. He has some faith. So he read his life history. Goswami's Guru Varga life history read, then your faith create an inspiration coming. That is called Utsahat Nischat Dhajat Tat Karma Pravartana Sangat Tyaga Sato Vitte Sarvi Bhakti Prasiddhati. Always Utsah. Utsah means enthusiastic. Gurudev is saying this is absolutely truth. But when Lord Ram will come, who knows? When Lord desire will. Matanga Rishi told one day, but which day will come? And he did not mention. Not date. Understand? 2011, 2020, 25. Look at this. Gurudev. One day, Ram and Lakshman will come in this asrama. So,
it not even say that it was on her lifetime. Like, it was not like she's so much faith.
Faith is coming in this. Try to understand. So when you read this our Goswami's life history, then so much faith will come. Otherwise, how possible? So Utsahat, Nischat, Dharjat, Tat Karma, Pravartanat, Sangat Tyaga, Sato Vitte, Sarvi Bhakti, Prasiddhati. Bhakti is not so easy. Lord will give everything. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha will give. But Prem Dhan, Rakhen, Lukaya. Bhukti, Mukti, Diya Tare, Karena Vanchana. Lord will give, Bhukti, Mukti will give and cheat you. Or Premadhan, he will be hide, not give too easy to you. When you are only, eagerness will come. No, I don't want other things. I don't want dharma, artha, kama, moksha. What do you want? Bhakti. Prema bhakti and gopi prem. How to serve Srimati Radhika. Then will give. So saying, Bhakti, Mukti, Diya Tare, Prem, Dhan, Rakhen, Lukaya. Because Lord not so easy to give the highest things to you. So this is the process also. So always you chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Holy name will fulfill all your desires. This is true. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddho Nitya Mukto Avinnatvat Nama Namin. Holy name will give.
With the material things will give. First take this. Huh? Understand this. But all these material things is the cause of the distress and unhappiness. Sometimes singing this song also. One person, he is very poor. And he was begging house to house. House to house. Then one day he met with one sadhu and told, I cannot maintain my life just on the begging and house to house. Little money coming. Then sadhu told, you chant holy name, Ram Nam. What Nam? Ram Nam. Then sadhu gave mantra, Ram Nam mantra. Then he chanting Ram Nam. Ram, 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 Ram. When he chanting the Ram Nam, and going to house, then people give more money, more ingredients giving. But oh my God, Nam is very powerful. Then he is thinking, oh okay, I will chant holy name more. Then he chanting, when he chanting holy names, he thinking, okay, now we are walking house to house, going house to house. I will have to go very quick, more houses and get more money. Hey sadhu, hey Ram, give me one bicycle, bicycle. Then one person he was going, he thinking, oh this is my bicycle, motorcycle. He is old, so what will do? And so they want sadhu, he is coming. Hey sadhu, take this bicycle. Then he got, oh very nice. Understand? Then, oh I used to go very quick. Then he goes, many houses quick and earn more money. Then he go, oh, this is not enough, I collect more money. Then he thinking what to do? Need one? Truck. No, one car. Then I go very quick, also many. Then he chanting, Ram, 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 Ram. Hey, Ram give me one car. Understand? Then one person is going and saying, hey, take this car. Ram Nam will, Lord's name will fulfill all your Nama Chintamani. Holy names will fulfill all your desires. Then he took on, oh, very nice. Then he go, oh, this car is not going everywhere. Very difficult or not? To parking. If you are the wrong park, then police will give the ticket. Then all your money will be go to government. How much you collect and have to pay ticket. Oh, this is not good. And this car is not going everywhere also. Then think, if I get one horse, then if I sit on the back of the horse and go everywhere. Good or not? Even the small alley or mountain, everywhere can go. Then he chanting holy names. Bhavir Bhajare Gai Ram Nam Diladu Ram Ghoda. Ghoda means horse. In the meantime, one person he is going. And one what is it called? Female horse? Mare. That pronunciation. And that female horse, the mare, about to give birth the baby. Oh. Then that person he told, hey sadhu, take this my mare. Gauri, horse. Okay. So then he is very happy. Maybe I will get two horses. And this horse and also I will get
a wagon
and also small baby horse. So 2 horses coming or not? Then he took that the horse. Then after a few minutes, that the mare give birth to one baby horse. Small baby horse. That baby horse cannot walk now. So what will do now? What will do? He want to sit on the back of the horse. Or now he is what? Taking the baby horse on his shoulder. So for dear Bengali you are saying, Ulta Bujli Ram. Bhavir Bajare Gai Ram Nam or Ulta Bujli Ram. I want to sit on the back of the horse. And now horse is sitting on my back. Understand? You can see that the storybook. Very nice, beautiful the katha this way. This is the process. Holy names will fulfill always. Even the material will come. When I was in Mathura, first I was walking house to house and walking and collecting some money from Kesavji Gaudiya Math. Then bought one cycle. Then they, okay, going to very quick, many places. Then one person gave me one motorcycle, you know. Oh my God. Then sometimes also that motorcycle not start. Yeah, 2 months for me. Understand? Hey, I also throw this. Who gave me, well, you don't no need to take back you. But no, Maharaj, you take this. I donate you too. I would no. Too much headache or not? How much you collect, put the petrol in there also. Understand? The thing, also some times every day some problem also. Go to the mechanical person, do hey, too much headache. Then I throw this.
Material life is like anything you collect, then having to pay for that thing that you collect.
Then another person told, oh, I will give one car to you. Well, no, I don't want a car. First enthusiasm coming, okay. First I learn how to drive the car. So when I came in Holland, Ramananda's father, you know Ramananda? Ramananda, understand? His father also taught me how to drive the car. Driving license. So I start driving the car. So when I come in Italy, I remember, then one devotee told me, Maharaj, you take this car and to drive. And also, what is his name? Who is traveling with me? Ananga Mohan Prabhu. Asked him, his car also is driving and learning, going to the free place and industrial place, big land, driving. Sometimes he also drives the car of Bhakta Sarup. Bhakta Sarup, understand? And the devotee of Gurudev in Holland, driving. So once I came in Italy, one devotee told Maharaj, you can drive this car. Understand? He's going in one big place. Very long and industrial area. And come. So I drive. I'm driving. I don't know. Almost coming, the car is running faster. I cannot control. And I put the accelerator and this thing. I mean, how to do? I don't know. Something miracle is going on this way. I'm thinking, hey Krishna, please save me. Then my car is coming very close to one big stone and stop. Hare Krishna. Look this. That his car was very new car. Only 3-4 days. And if the touch hit the stone, that car will be completely destroyed. From that day I was thinking, from today I will never I took vow. Many sometimes I will take the car and you drive the car. No, I already took vow. Ragukula riti sada chali ai prana jai boru bachana na jai. Understand? Hey Bhagavan.
Time was saved.
Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal.
Gurudev, when was this? What year did this occur?
When?
When you were driving, when was this?
First I drive the car.
The year.
Which year? When I,
Rock, when you took vow to never drive.
I think when we came in Italy, that thing, 2005 or something, this 3 or, I don't, actual date I do not remember. Around 2003 or 4.
Okay,
Many years. Then I took, no. I said to them anyway, why you will take this? Are many drivers is here? Many drivers. What is it?
Drivers. Everybody drivers in a
They can drive. So I'm learning this way. Some miracle with it. That speed is going automatically high. I don't understand. I don't.
Brake not working. Brake is not working.
I don't know. That's a new car actually, completely a new car. Even not that car is not also nameplate. Not nameplate. It's a new car. Very expensive car also. And coming. I'm thinking, oh my God, what will do? I was saying, hey Krishna, protect me. Nisinghadevi ki jai. Automatically coming out from my mouth. Nisinghadevi. And then very close. And in front of the big stone. That car stop. Following now and Vihari. Our same car, that person whose new car, she also bring back his home, nothing. This is going on this. Naam is very powerful. Faith. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta Avinnatvat Nama Nami. Holy name will fulfill all your desires. Understand? What do you want? Chant holy name. What do you want? First holy names will fulfill all your material desires. They are saying this for Chaitanya Charitamrita. Bhukti mukti diya tare prem dhan rakhen lukaiya. Lord, not so easy to give you premadhan. You hide and give other things. I will say, no, I don't want these things. I don't want bicycle, no want car, no want anything. I want your prema bhakti. Tavaivasmi, na jivami taya vina, idi viggayo te radhe, tang nayami charanantike. Balavindavan Vihari. If anything is coming, serve to Guru and Krishna. Chalo, serve. Understand? When I was staying in Brazil, many katha is coming. One devotee, he told, I will give you one car, a very expensive car. And I told, no need. No, I will give to you. You traveling in Brazil, so many places, I will give to you. And he gave the car. I told no need. Then I told Krishna Jivani, that time she was traveling with me. And okay, sold this car and that money you put in the temple, that time Rio temple. Said that all the money I also gave to Rio temple. Look at this. Very no. And I will not take this. What will do car? Coming also there. If you chant holy names will give everything. You faith. You think what will get? Everything giving. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. One person told in Brazil, I will give one big land. I will, no need. Well, no, you take. They give you name. A big temple they are doing. Built on. I am not doing anything. I have no attachment. Okay, devotee is taking. Chalo, Hare Krishna.
Where is that? Where is that?
Where is that? Altaparaya. Big time. If you there, sound coming. Hare Krishna, echo coming. You have been there or not?
We want to come.
You come? Okay, of course. Very nice, beautiful temple. Devotees are staying also there. I'm not attachment with it. Okay, one room is there also. Only once a year, 10 days I am staying there. How many days? 10 days. 5 days in June, July, middle of the year, or end of the year. 5 days, 5 days, 10 days. Staying in there. My room is there. Huh? Understand? They are maintaining, they are doing. No, I am not doing anything. So if anything will come, you think this is not belongs to me, it belongs to Krishna. Huh? This is the process of. Chant holy names, faith. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So many, OMC, this many history. You can learn this. And if you chant holy names, everything will come. Material thing automatically come. Bhakti Staritra Bhagavan Jadi Sat Daivena Krishna Murti Mukti Sang Muktanjali Sevati Asman Dharma Artha Kama Moksha Samaya Pratiksha. Samaya Pratiksha, they will wait for the time. Huh? Understand this really? People are saying, I have not. Why not? Krishna will give, chant holy names. Huh? Understand this? But you already try to understand the material things is equal to that. Wealth is the perpetual source of all kinds of distress. Huh? These things also already think. Eh? Boyfriend will come, girlfriend will come, and make the distress to you also. Huh? Coming or not? Eh? Chant holy names, what do you want? Make disturbance to you. Huh? Disturbance coming or not? Material, this is the nature of the material things. Huh? What will do? Try to understand. Chant holy names. Huh? Chant holy names, one saying. Huh? Tat tutsha sukham jatha kundureva mebo. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Listen very carefully this way. Eh? Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, in this material world, all the material things give you the very insignificance, and what is called sukha. Sukha means happiness. Eh? And say jatha kondurasa ivo. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence this. Kondurasa means, that is called skin disease, you know. Many small ball coming. What is it called? Eczema coming. Very difficult to control, true? Yeah. It's coming. Oh my God. And many also pars will come. When pars is coming, then I am feeling so much pain. But when you itching with your hands, then you are very happy. This is true or wrong? True. This is let's go, I am very happy. Then after a few seconds, few minutes, then so much blood, anything coming, I am feeling so much pain. This is the nature in this material. For this regard, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he quoted this verse. Understand? Tutsha sukham. And Prahlad Maharaj told this is a jatha kundurasa meva. Kundurasa means the skin disease. Understand? When skin disease is coming, you are very happy. And when you are itching, you are very happy. Happy or not? Yeah. Temporary happiness. And then, again suffering so much. So for the Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he quoted this verse. In this material, everything is what is called the perpetual wealth, money, wife, children, all these things, that is called the source of all kinds of distress and unhappiness. Understand this? Try to understand this philosophy this way. Brahmachari is thinking, oh, very nice. She is happy because she has girlfriend, boyfriend. But when you will get, then you understand. Every day, just right way. Oh my God. Understand? The other thing. Also, saying the wealth is the perpetual, the source of all kinds of distress and unhappiness. And think, oh, she is very happy because she has girlfriend. a boyfriend. Are stupid nonsense? She is not happy, he is not happy. Temporarily little bit happy. Then after a few years, few months, then you can see. And how is happiness is going on. Because they material things. Huh? Who is happy? One who chants holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And every day in my mail, in my Facebook, devotee asking Gurudev, this is my problem, this is my boyfriend problem, this is girlfriend problem, this is my house problem, this is my job problem. Also asking to me, my job problems. I get job, but this job, what is called, boss is not good, only heavy chastised, only what to do. And how can solve? You cannot solve this. You solve one thing, then another problem will come. This material world, this is the nature, this. Try to understand this way. Because this is so far these guys are saying, Jatha Kondurasa Mevo. Always learn these words. Jatha Kondurasa Mevo. Kondurasa means the skin disease. What to do? Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is the best thing. Understand this? Try to understand this. So always saying, don't go to the Maya. Don't go Maya. Chant holy names. Just survive. Don't go Maya, don't go. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying this way. Takta sudisya suripsita rajya lakshmim dharmishta arya vachasa jad garanam maya mrigam daita ipsita annada vada bande maha purushate charanarvindam. Conditional soul means as like deer and hiran. Or deer like to drink the water. But they are going running towards the very hot and also waterless desert. They are thinking also there is water is there. Actually this is also here. The rays of sun that reflect, we are thinking this is water, illusion. Mirage coming. So conditional soul running towards the mirage. We are thinking the water is there. So going. When going, that is very hot. Understand? No water, nothing. Then finally died. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying this way. Takta sudisya surepsita rajya lakshmim dharmishta arya vachasa jadgard arannam maya mrigam dita ipsita anadhavada bande maha purushate charanarvindam. The purport about these words. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has so much love and affection with all the living entities. Jivero nistar lagi Krishna avatirna hoilo gaura rupa dhari. What is it? Jiver nistar lagi Krishna avatirna hoilo gaura rupa dhari. How do jivas, they will be returned back to Lord. So for this regard, Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandani Gaur Hari. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised his two hands and running behind the conditional soul. Conditional soul is as like deer. Deer, understand? And running towards the mirage, running towards the illusion. Oh, maybe this is good. But Mahaprabhu says, no, don't go. So takta sudisya rajya lakshmi dharmishta arya vachasa jadgard arnam maya migam dvaita ipsitam annadavado bande maha purushade charanarvindam. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very magnificent and magnanimity. Lord Chaitanya says, hey, jivas, don't go to the desert. Huh? You are thinking that there is the water, no water. That is just create the illusion, mirage. Huh? Come with me. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, running. And finally Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and caught that the deer. Huh? And very love and affection Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Huh? Understand? Lord Chaitanya so much love and affection. And catching that the deer. Hey, why you are going there? Come with me. Huh? Come with me. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu shower of rain. That is called Prema Bhakti. That is called Madhurya Kadambini. Understand? This is Madhurya Kadambini. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Madhurya means sweetness. Kadambini means ever fresh rain cloud. And shower is coming. Chalo, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving. Shower. Because you are going to mirage, you are going to the desert. So your body completely burned. Feeling so much pain. So Mahaprabhu is giving heavy rain. What is that? Suddha Bhakti. So saying the Madhurya Kadambini. Kadambini means, what is it? Fresh ever cloud, rain cloud. Rain cloud coming. Then all your distress, unhappiness will disappear. Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Very nice, beautiful this katha. Just I tell you one katha is then finished. Once one deer, small baby deer, what is it called? Fawn. Okay. Very small deer, and very sweet, very beautiful, attractive, and very healthy. And he was that the baby deer running on the bank of the river, and on the bank of the river many sweet, soft green leaves, sometimes eating, sometimes also baby deer jumping in the water and coming back. Very loving. Sometimes rolling on the soft grass. This way, very happy. In the meantime, one hunter he noticed. Oh, this baby deer, I have to catch. That the hunter, he put one net one side. Or another side, a river. Or another side, he put some fire. Understand? Fire. So fire is coming this. So you just to imagine, one side river, one side net, or one side fire, and he is taking his bow and arrow to catch that baby deer. And he has also one very ferocious dog. Understand? Australian dog. Very expert. When the baby deer he noticed, oh my God, what will do now? I cannot go front because there the net is there. Or another, I cannot jump in the water of the river, then I will die. Then another side, big fire. Or another side, the hunter, he is taking the bow and arrow, or with his also ferocious dog. What will do now? That time, that baby deer, just he stops to running here and there. Katore harini dake. Then that deer chanting holy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Something miracle coming. Look the Mahamantra, Harinam. Then one big storm came. When big storm came, that the net, they put this side, the net also flew away. And the fire, and a big storm and rain, the extinguished fire, and big storm and windy, and the hunter, he have to kill the deer. But some storm coming and some dust inside his eyes, hunter eyes. Then hunter, then automatically that arrow go out from his bow, and that the bow stuck the body of his dog. His dog died. Look this way. Now Chaudik and everywhere he can do it and free. Then the deer, he saved and ran away. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. Mahaprabhu gave this example also. So if you chant holy names, then Lord will be protect you. Only thing, Lord is my maintainer, Lord is my protector. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. Katare Harini Dake. And when deer, and calling to name of Lord, then Lord protect you. Bolo Jai Jai Sri. Learn these things also. So I think, Takta Suditsaja Suripsita Rajya Lakshmi Dharmishta Arjya Vachasa Jadgardranam Maya Mrigam Daita Anadhavada Bande Mahapurushate Charanaravinam. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hello, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama. Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Bahut Premanandi, Hari Hari, Jai Jai Sri Ram, Jai Jai Sri Radhe, Jai Jai Sri Ram. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki, Jai Jai Sri Ram. Chant holy names, do bhajan. Good or not? Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Jai Jai. Okay, take this. Janardhan Prabhu, good or not? Yeah. He's saying Lord is, he's saying, well, my karma is coming. The Lord is very merciful to you.
Extra mercy.
No need. What is coming, not coming, no problem.
It's not warm.
Oh, yeah, put the water. Okay, now take this.